What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this Bitcoin update for the weekend. I'll probably be back with another update tomorrow as well, kind of depending on if something happens or not. But yeah, just wanted to do a full update on that. Also on yesterday. Yesterday was in the end quite a volatile and important day. So we'll talk about why that happened. I do have some answers for you regarding that. And just in general, what you can expect from here on out. I mean, obviously, we've still, or at least obviously, we have been bullish with Bitcoin for quite some time now. We've slowed down ever since the 21st of January, but we are still bullish, and there is still a lot going on around Bitcoin. So we'll talk about that. Hope you're all having a great start of the weekend, of course, but let's get right into it. So yesterday was, as I said, quite a volatile day. You can also see that in the price here around 3 p.m. All the way down to the evening. We were bullish and then bearish, and then we started off quite bearish, and most of that had to do with the news coming out. And there were economic reports and economic events, I usually call them, yesterday that were actually, that they were bullish and bearish for crypto, and that's quite interesting. Because we had the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate, which were both way better than expected. So that's obviously great for the US. And therefore you would say, all right, well, then it's also bullish for Bitcoin. There are way more people employed, more people with money, more people can buy crypto, which is true. And that's also why we were bullish initially. But what's also true with Bitcoin is that it's negatively correlated with the dollar strength index. And the dollar strength index is obviously also very, very bullish if the economy of the dollar, the US, is doing good, which we saw yesterday. It is doing good. So the dollar strength index went up a lot, which usually, if something like this happens, Bitcoin tends to crash quite heavily. But now it's actually quite significant and special that we did not, because in the end this news really is bullish for both Bitcoin and the dollar strength index. And yeah, that's basically what happened, and that's why we're still above our main support level around well, let's say 23,300, even though we're barely holding on to that. But more of we could actually drag this level down a little bit right here to make it technically more accurate, all the way down to 23,150. So yeah, we're bullish. That was the news last week. Obviously right now we've entered the weekend. Volume is already dropping down for Bitcoin and throughout the markets. And I'm not expecting big moves today. It's really going to come from tomorrow. So what I expect for the weekend is I actually do expect us to stay on top of 23,150. And I still expect us to kind of stay in this area between 23,900 and 23,150, as I said, our main support. And at some point, I still think right now it's the most likely scenario given the economic circumstances, but also given the technicals for Bitcoin, which, as I said initially, are still very bullish. I expect us to at some point break above 24,000, take a break retest, and get up to 25,000. Because what we'll have fundamentally in the markets again in the upcoming few weeks is the inflation rate coming up. I believe that's the 14th of February, so in a week and a half. And we'll have some bullish expectations for that. We'll see that in the price, and the outcome of the inflation rate is probably also going to be bullish. So once we get that narrative going again, instead of the dollar strength index, which is going parabolically up, I think we'll have enough bullish momentum to actually have that breakout. It might still take some time. We might still consolidate here. We could also still very well, it's a possibility that will drop down to 22,500. But I'll keep you updated on that. I don't think initially that's something to expect, but it could be something down the line next week. As I said, I'll update you on that, and it doesn't change my general opinion of the direction of Bitcoin. So that's my take on it today. I want to wish you all a great Saturday, great weekend. For now, take care and bye.